Hi guys, here we are at Carlton on Trent level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go. Now, the time is 15:33 on Wednesday the 23rd of September 2000. This is for our 15:35 One Echo 15 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Aberdeen to King's Cross.
And you've phoned the timetable, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got Carlton on Trent up.
Carlton on Trent here.
Yeah.
I'd like to put that idea forward. Leave Ranskill's now as well.
Ranskill's got the train. Ranskill hasn't got trains passing by it apparently.
Should have. Did when I checked it.
Ranskill's not got the train times passing by. I looked up on it yesterday and it said no trains. There are no trains in this window.
Why not registered it yet? Put it on trial.
I had to use Retford all the way to Rossington. And I had to call
Rossington, you used Doncaster, but that's
Rossington. I used Rossington.
You might be staying true for your leads. Might.
I know. I've been here since 3.
Should have at least one double pass already.
Not yet. Not yet. Oh yeah, we've had one double. The first closure had a double pass, but since then we've had none. I've had about 5 closures so far.
Yeah.
No, I only came here tonight to help my dad set up. Right, here she is. We've got Freighter. Really? We've got 43 to 299. 43 299. 43 251 to King's Cross and up they. Oh yeah, up they go.
Up they go. Oh, show.
Thanks guys. See you next video.